Have you ever wondered what the most breathtaking landscapes in France are? Well, your curiosity is about to be satisfied. France, a country renowned for its rich history, culture, and cuisine, is also home to an array of stunning landscapes and iconic tourist sites. From towering architectural marvels to serene coastal paradises, France's beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. In this journey we will traverse the country spotlighting 10 of its most awe-inspiring landscapes. We'll ascend the symbolic Eiffel Tower, bask in the glamour of the French Riviera, marvel at the medieval wonder of Mont Saint-Michel, and stroll through the opulent halls of the Palace of Versailles. We'll also scale Europe's tallest sand dune, the Dune of Pilat, and admire the Renaissance masterpiece that is the Château de Chambord. And that's just a taste of what's to come. Prepare to embark on a virtual journey across some of the most breathtaking landscapes in France. First, we take you to the heart of Paris, to the iconic Eiffel Tower. Recognized worldwide as a symbol of love and architectural brilliance, this wrought iron lattice tower is a testament to the ingenuity of its creator, Gustave Eiffel. Since its unveiling in 1889, it has been a beacon of French pride and culture. Standing at a majestic height of 330 meters, it was once the tallest man-made structure in the world. The Eiffel Tower's intricate design and towering presence are a sight to marvel at, but it's the view from the top that truly takes your breath away. Overlooking the city of love, it paints a picture of Paris that is nothing short of magical. The tower is not just an architectural marvel but a symbol of romance. Its twinkling lights at night have witnessed countless proposals and declarations of love. The Eiffel Tower, truly a sight to behold. Next we escape to the sun-soaked shores of the French Riviera. The Riviera, or Côte d'Azur as it's known in French, stretches from the Italian border to the east and extends to Saint-Tropez in the west. The Riviera is a radiant spectacle of azure waters, golden beaches and verdant hillsides. This coastal paradise is not only renowned for its natural beauty but also for its glamorous lifestyle. The French Riviera is a playground for the wealthy and famous, sprinkled with opulent villas, luxury yachts, and high-end casinos. The Riviera is also a cultural hub, hosting world-class festivals such as the Cannes Film Festival. Imagine strolling along the Promenade de la Croisette, basking in the Mediterranean sun, while the world's premier film festival unfolds in the background. From the glitz of Cannes to the quiet, cobblestone streets of Saint-Paul-de-Vence, the Riviera offers a unique blend of natural beauty and luxury. The French Riviera, a dazzling gem on the French coastline. Now let's journey back in time to the magical island commune of Mont Saint-Michel. Nestled in the heart of a vast bay invaded by the highest tides in Europe, this architectural marvel has stood the test of time. The history of Mont Saint-Michel starts in the 8th century as a place of prayer, becoming a popular pilgrimage site during the Middle Ages. Pilgrims from far and wide came to seek spiritual solace within its hallowed walls. The architecture of this island commune is a sight to behold. From the abbey perched high above the sea to the winding streets filled with half-timbered houses, Mont Saint-Michel is a testament to the ingenuity of medieval architects. Its unique location, surrounded by quicksand and powerful tides, added to its allure and mystery, making it a formidable fortress that was never conquered. Mont Saint-Michel, a fairy tale island steeped in history, a place where the whispers of the past meet the rush of the sea. Next, we step into the opulent world of the Palace of Versailles. This former royal residence, just a short journey from the heart of Paris, captures the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime at its peak. Commissioned by Louis XIV, who wished to move his court away from the busy capital, the palace is a testament to the grandeur of French classical architecture. Each room in the palace is steeped in history, from the Hall of Mirrors, where the Treaty of Versailles was signed, to the king's grand apartments. Yet the splendor doesn't end within the palace walls. The gardens of Versailles, designed by André Lenotre, stretch over 800 hectares, filled with fountains, sculptures, and beautifully manicured lawns. It's easy to lose oneself in the palace's lavish interiors and expansive gardens, experiencing a glimpse of royal life in the 17th century. The Palace of Versailles, a testament to royal extravagance. Now we venture to the Dune of Pilat, a natural wonder like no other. Situated in the Arcachon Bay area, this towering sand dune is a testament to the power of nature. Born from the dance of winds and ocean currents, the Dune of Pilat has been sculpted over countless centuries. Today it stands as Europe's tallest sand dune, reaching a majestic height of more than 100 meters. Imagine standing on the crest of this golden giant, feeling the sun's warmth on your skin, the winds whisper in your ear, and the sands caress under your feet. As you gaze out across the horizon, you're rewarded with spectacular views, the lush, verdant forest on one side, and the vast, azure ocean on the other. It's a sight that truly takes your breath away. This is not just a dune, it's a monument to the majesty of nature. The Dune of Pillet, a golden marvel in the heart of France. Next, we explore the Château de Chambord, a masterpiece of the French Renaissance. This grand edifice, nestled in the heart of the Loire Valley, is an embodiment of the opulence and artistic brilliance of the 16th century. Its elaborate architecture, a harmonious blend of traditional French medieval forms and classical Renaissance structures, is a testament to the skilled artisans of the era. The chateau boasts an impressive facade featuring over 280 fireplaces, each one a unique work of art. The stunning double helix staircase, believed to be inspired by Leonardo da Vinci, is a marvel of design, allowing two people to ascend and descend without ever meeting. Venture outside and you'll find yourself in the midst of an expansive estate, a natural sanctuary spanning over 5,000 hectares. This vast wilderness, complete with forests, wildlife, and tranquil water bodies, offers a serene backdrop to the architectural marvel. The Château de Chambord, an architectural triumph. Now we ascend to the snowy peaks of the French Alps. Here we find ourselves amidst a landscape that can only be described as a winter wonderland. The French Alps, with their towering peaks and pristine snow, offer a breathtaking spectacle that seems straight out of a fairy tale. These mountains are home to some of the world's most renowned ski resorts, where adventure seekers from all corners of the globe congregate, drawn by the promise of carving their way down the powdery slopes. But it's not just the thrill of skiing that captivates the visitors. The French Alps are a haven for anyone seeking tranquility, solitude, and a chance to reconnect with nature. The beauty of the French Alps is not merely confined to its snow-laden slopes. Look around and you'll see charming alpine villages, their cozy chalets nestled amidst the snow, offering warmth and comfort to weary travelers. The French Alps, a winter wonderland. Next, we stand in awe of the Victory Gate in Paris, a symbol of triumph. This grand monument, officially known as the Arc de Triomphe, was commissioned by Napoleon after his victory at Austerlitz in the early 19th century. It stands tall, right in the heart of Paris, at the western end of the famed Champs-Élysées. The Victory Gate is a tribute, not just to the military prowess of France, but also to the nation's resilience and spirit. Engraved on its inner and outer surfaces are the names of those who fought for France during the French Revolution and the Napoleonic Wars. Beneath its vault lies the tomb of the unknown soldier from World War I, and should you climb the 284 steps to reach the top, you're rewarded with panoramic views of the City of Light, a sight truly worth the journey. The Victory Gate, a proud testament to France's storied past. What a journey it's been, traversing through the breathtaking landscapes of France. From the iconic Eiffel Tower, a symbol of love standing tall in the heart of Paris, to the paradise that is the French Riviera, caressed by azure waters and golden sands. We've journeyed through time at Mont Saint-Michel, a marvel of the Middle Ages, and marveled at the grandeur of the Palace of Versailles, a testament to royal opulence. The Dune of Pilat, Europe's tallest sand dune, stood as a testament to nature's magnificence, while the Château de Chambord, a Renaissance masterpiece, echoed the artistic genius of a bygone era. The French Alps, a winter wonderland, showed us the stark beauty of snow-capped peaks, and the Victory Gate in Paris, a symbol of triumph, reminded us of the resilience of the human spirit. France's beauty and diversity is truly unparalleled, offering something for every traveler. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys to the world's most breathtaking landscapes. Au revoir.